to Breaking Code. In today's video, we are solving buying tickets problem from CodeChef. This is a clean greedy problem where we need to pick the cheapest available seats. So let's break it step by step. So Chef wants to buy tickets. Chef wants to buy tickets for K people, and we are given with n, which is nothing but seats, and price of array, which is where it tells the price of each seat, and binary string of yes, which tells, for example, if there is seats which are not booked, the seats which are empty, which are shown as 0, the seats which are booked by somebody else is shown with integer 1. So the goal is we need to find the available seat and pick k seats with minimum total cost, and there is nothing like you need to find only the consecutive seats or first and last seats. It always depends on the price of the seat. For example, here we have 0 1 0 1, so the price of the seat here is 4 and the price of the seat here is 2, and the chef needs only one ticket he need to buy, so he will be choosing the least amount ticket, which is nothing but 2. So in this manner you need to find which is the cheapest ticket available for chef. So this is basically a greedy approach where we can follow. So for this, the first thing which you need to do is collect all the prices of available seats. First thing, collect all seats with available price, and seat should be empty. Seat is, we can say it is 0, which is nothing but empty. And step 2, you need to check the availability. So here we check the available, and you also need to check, which is an important case, that available seats should not be less than k. If this is the case, you need to print -1. Then third, we can sort available prices. If you sort the available prices, you will be getting the prices which are cheap first. Then fourth, you need to take the, from this sorted available, you need to take first k seats, so which is nothing but cheapest seats. So if you just follow these 4 steps, you will be getting the answer very quickly, and it is very simple problem. So we'll try a dry run with a given test case, which is nothing but n is equal to 4 and k is equal to 3. So here n is number of seats and k is number of tickets and the prices of each seat. So here 4, 2, 6 and 8, and the availability of each seat, which is nothing but, it is basically a string. So it's basically a string which is nothing but 0 1 0 0. So we can say that here 2 is already booked by somebody else because it's cheap. So first thing what we'll do is we'll check the available. So here index 1 is available, index 2 is not available, index 3 is available, index 4 is available. So we have the prices 4, 6 and 8. So what we'll take is, we'll take a list, then add the available wherever the 0 is present, add the list the price of the seat. So in this you will have list of integer, and what you will be doing, if you will be checking the second available, collect all the seats with available. So we are doing the first step. If s of I double equal to 0, which is available, then what we are going to do, list dot, here we should add the price of the seat, so which is nothing but a of I, a dot a of I. So here you will be having a for loop which goes from 0 to n. N is nothing but the length of the seats. So here you can see it is 4. So after adding, we'll be checking if list dot size is less than k. List size will always be less than k when there is no seats available. So for example, here we are having 0, 1, 0. Think in a case where 3 and 4 both seats are not available, so there is only one seat, so you will be having 1 in the list and you need 3 seats, so it is not possible. So in this case you can print -1. And the next thing you will do is the step 3. You have completed step 2 by checking this one. Now you need to sort the available prices. So to sort, in Java you can use directly collections. So collections dot sort of, and here you can pass the list. So once you have done this, you will be getting a list with sorted, so which is nothing but the list will be having 4, 6, 8 which is sorted. Now take the first k. Here k is 3 and we are left with 3. So you need to take the first k elements from it. So further you will be running a for loop from 0 to k, and you will be taking one variable sum plus equal to, and you will be adding list dot get of I. Then you can directly return sum. So here sum is nothing but which is 18. So in the first test case, if you check, the output should be 18. So now let's check the time complexity and space complexity. So time complexity for this is nothing but O of n log n, because we are sorting using collections dot sort. And the space complexity, we are using an extra list, so for that you will have an O of n, and that's how we solve the buying ticket problem efficiently. If this explanation helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Breaking Code for more CodeChef and ESI content. And I'll be sharing the code and the problem link in the description. Drop your doubts in the comments. I'll reply everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.